Hello students, how are you all? So today we're going to learn about union of sets. I have already uploaded a video on introduction of sets and the types of sets. Now we're going to learn about the operation of sets, how we're going to solve different sets together, right? So the first one we're going to cover is the union of sets. Okay, so what is union of sets? First of all, let's look at the word union. What does union mean? Union means to combine. Okay, so when it comes to union of sets, it means that union of sets means combining the elements of two or more sets into one set, or we combine the elements of two or more sets together into one set. So it is denoted by the letter U. It's look like U, but it's basically a letter type of U, which shows that it is a union. So how are we going to do it? I'm going to tell you an example so it will help you clear the concepts more. Okay, for example, we have two sets A, and it has elements A, B, C, D, and the set B, which has elements C, D, E, F. They ask to show us A union B, which means that we have to combine these two together. Now, how are we going to do that? Let's have a look. Now, first of all, when they ask us for A union B, it means that we're going to write the set A and all its elements A, B, C, D, brackets close. We make the sign of a union, and then we're going to write the elements of B, which are C, D, E, F. Now, what happens in union is that we start writing all the elements of these two sets together in one set, right? Start with the A1, which is A, B, C, D. Now we're going to write the elements of B. Now, if you remember from the very first lecture, that the elements of a set must be unique and they should not repeat themselves. All right. So here you can see that C and D are common in both A and B. So we are only going to write C and D once, not twice. Okay. So here you can see A, C, D is present in A. C, D is also present in B, right? This. But we're only going to write them once, not twice. Okay. So once we have written CD, now we're going to move further, which is E and F. So this is your answer for A union B. Now this is a union of sets between two sets, right, which are A and B. Okay. Now let me give you another example. It might help you better understand it. All right. For example, we have two sets 1, 3, 5, 7, and the set D is 2, 4, 6, and 7, right? Okay. Now when they ask us for C union D, you're going to read it as A union B, C union D. Okay? Okay. So we're going to write both the sets together 1, 3, 5, 7 union 2, 4, 6, 7. Right? Okay. Now, when we are writing them, it's like one combine. We can write them in a sequence. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Since 7 is present in both of the sets, so we are going to write 7 only once. So this is how it's being done. Okay. Okay, now we have already studied about the union of two sets. Now we're going to study about how we're going to perform the union of three sets. Let's suppose we have three sets A, which is A, E, I, O, U. Set B is A, B, C, D. And set C is A, B, C, right? So when they ask us to perform A union B union C, how are we going to do it? It's like A E I O U union A B C D union A B C. Now, first of all, see if they have any commons, because the common ones will only be written once. Okay. So, do we have any common? We have yes. A is common in all three of them. Now, here we have A is common in both of them, in all three of them. We have now B here, which is common in only two of the sets, right? It's not common in here, doesn't matter, because we're only going to write it once. And C is also common here, right? The rest are not common in any of them. So, how are we going to write them? We're going to write A as this, B, C, D. So A, we have written A, B, C from of the C group, A, B, C, D of the B set, sorry. And now we're going to write the rest of them, which is I, E, I, O, U, right? So this is how we're going to perform the union of three sets. Okay, simple. It's not very much difficult. Okay, now we're going to talk about the laws of union of sets in my next lecture. But before that, I'm also going to tell you about the intersection of sets. So I hope you have understand the union, how we perform the union of sets. Now I'm gonna upload my next lecture, which will be on intersection of sets. So make sure that you have subscribed to my channel so that, and hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload my next video, you will get notified by it. Okay. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.